Hi guys, welcome to AppGeeker channel. Do you want to record and edit gaming videos for uploading them on YouTube? Here are multiple ways to record YouTube gameplay on a PC or Mac. If you're a PC user, you can record gaming videos for YouTube via Xbox Game Bar. For Mac users, QuickTime Player lets you capture anything that you're seeing on the screen including gameplay. And there is another tool called Screen Recorder. It not only allows you to record gaming videos but also enables you to edit recordings as needed. Let's first check out how to record gaming videos on a PC. Your PC has a built-in screen capture tool called Game Bar that can help you record gaming videos. Here we'll show you the detailed steps below. Check if you have enabled Xbox Game Bar first. Open Settings on your Windows PC and navigate to Gaming, Xbox Game Bar. Make sure the switch has been turned on. Open the game you want to record. Before starting the recording, get your gameplay ready in advance. Activate Xbox Game Bar. Press Windows key plus G to bring up the panel of Xbox Game Bar. Adjust the audio settings as needed. You can turn up or down the volume, or even mute it. Start the recording. With the shortcuts Windows key plus Alt plus R or the record button, you may begin to record a gaming video for YouTube on your computer. Stop the recording. Press Windows key plus Alt plus R or the stop button, and the recording will be automatically saved as an MP4 video. Later you can review the recorded gameplay video in the gallery window. The second part is about recording gameplay on Mac. While there are many free gameplay recorders on Mac, let's look at one of the simplest solutions, QuickTime Player. No need for additional apps or extensions. This technique is useful for Macs running macOS Mojave and higher. First of all, you need to launch QuickTime on your Mac. With QuickTime open, select File in the menu bar at the top of your screen, then choose New Screen Recording. Then you will be directed to the Screenshot toolbar. If you wish to record your voice or other audio, click Options and choose the inbuilt iMac microphone or any external microphone you're using. According to your recording requirement, select Record Entire Screen or Record Selected Portion. Then click the record button, and choose the screen area to be captured. Open the game you want to record on your Mac. The recording will begin automatically. Once finished, hit stop in the toolbar bar. You can then review the recording, and eventually export and rename it from File, Save in the top menu. That's it. Your gameplay has been recorded. If you are an avid gamer who wants to record videos without feeling limited, then we believe you deserve the optimal recording software. The AppGeeker Screen Recorder is one of the best ones that creators can get to record their gaming videos. It is filled with plenty of must-have features, including recording, editing, trimming, merging, and converting videos into various formats. Suitable for both PC and Mac, the software can satisfy your multiple requirements. First, let's find out how to record gameplay on a PC via Screen Recorder. Launch the software and select Game Recorder from the menu. In the pop-up window, hit any location on your screen to move on. When it comes to the Game Recorder panel, first select the game you want to record. Then decide what sound needs to be enabled by switching on the option of System Sound and Microphone. You can even turn on webcam recording with the corresponding toggle. By clicking the gear icon, you can also reach the output settings and make some adjustments according to your preference. Start the recording with the Rec button. Your gameplay will be captured once the countdown is over. During the recording, you may pause it by using the shortcuts Ctrl plus Alt plus S. If you exit the gameplay, the recording will stop automatically. End the recording by hitting the stop button or pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus R. You can then play back or edit the video in the preview window. After you finish editing the video, you can hit Done to export it. Then, let's go to the Mac part. To begin, launch the app on your Mac or MacBook. Choose Video Recorder from the main screen. To capture the whole screen of the game window, click Full, and the entire screen will be highlighted. If you want to record a partial screen, choose Custom instead and then drag to select the specific area. To take a game screen recording with your face, turn on the toggle for Camera. If you need to record the in-game audio, switch on System Sound. To voice over the video as you're playing to explain what's going on. Turn on microphone as well. For more gaming recordings configurations like output path and output format and quality, you can make changes or tweaks in the preferences window after you click the gear icon located right above the microphone. Click the big rec button to comfortably start recording what's happening in the game on Mac with no lagging issues. Hit the red stop button to end the game recording. You'll get a preview window to play the recorded game video and trim the recording without grabbing another third-party application. Click the save button at the bottom and your recording will be immediately accessible in your desired video format on Mac's system. Then you can upload your gameplay videos on YouTube. If this video is helpful to you, or if you want to know more about tech tips, please subscribe to AppGeeker channel. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comment section, and we will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. See you next time.